Well, this is my lovely snow globe I've had for many years. And it's actually from Woolworths. Which doesn't exist anymore, but it is online. It's a nice little snow globe. Very thin glass. I've gone off it and I won't sell it because when you shake it, there's lots of dust floating around in there, which is not very nice. So I am going to smash this, get the water out and bin it. Shame really. Never smashed one before. I don't like smashing them up, so I like to keep them. See all the dust? It's supposed to be snow. Well, it is snow in there a bit, but also dust as well. So it's got in. I think it's disgusting now. Just put me right off it. So I think the dust actually got in, maybe from the little hole in there. Maybe. So poor snow globe's going to be smashed and binned, unfortunately. And I've had it for many years. So, well, I've smashed it and there's glass everywhere now, so I'm going to clean all this mess up. It's a shame really, but all the muck somehow got in there, and when you were shaking it, it didn't look very nice. And I'm gutted because it's from Woolworths and they do not exist anymore. It was cold when it shattered. I couldn't show you that though. I tried it with that rubbish. Did it a few times with this. Brilliant. Just went everywhere. Brilliant. So I'm going to clean up now, and poor snow globe is no more, fortunately. So that's the end of him. Shame. Bye then.